Well, welcome to the last round of the Porsche Championship this season. So we've got 3 cars out again today. We're at Snetterton, very windy but sunny Snetterton anyway. So we've got Will Toon in Class 3, Brian Richardson in Class 2 and then Andy Toon in Class 1. The boys are just out doing quali at the moment, so we'll have a chat with them when they get back from the pits and talk about the day. So enjoy the video and we'll talk to you later. Right, last race of the season. But this guy's had 3 races now, haven't you? To warm yourself up to racing. Did a stellar job today.
Some incredible 3 races. But
yeah.
First off, I want to thank Brian, Rint, the crew, you guys. I wouldn't be here without you, and you've all made it possible.
Yeah,
so I appreciate
great.
that.
Oh,
Thank
we loved
you.
having you. Yeah. We loved having you. It's been amazing. I thought you were absolutely on it today. It was really good watching you out there. I know you had a little bit of the spin, but apart from that, it was all good, wasn't it? And you
All
caught up so
learned.
quick. Yeah.
All lessons learned.
Yeah.
We had a mixed quali, gearbox problems, but we started from the back and made up some places.
Yeah.
And that's what matters. We're here to have fun and we're in the process, aren't we? So.
And what do you think, Dad? How do you think he's done?
I'm exceptionally proud of him.
Yeah.
I really am. I mean, the difference between race 1 today and race 2. I mean, with some tuition, with extra seat time, confidence growing, not taking risks. He made some good moves on people today.
Yeah.
In fact, made some ballsy moves around that one.
Unbelievable move. Yeah. Side by side, wasn't it?
We're naming that Will's Bend.
Will's Bend. Yeah.
I
saw that. Yeah. Side by side. Very
really
good.
Proud of him.
Yeah.
But again, couldn't do it without the team.
Yeah. And you today as well. I mean, that was good. You had a good race, didn't you?
So far.
Yeah.
So far.
Yeah, 4th, 5th, 6th.
Yeah, we've got another one to go, by the way. We've got one more to go after this.
No pressure.
Yeah.
No pressure.
None at all. But should we go and
We're
race?
calling now.
Should
we do it?
Should we go and have a race? What do you
It's
reckon?
time, isn't it?
Let's go and race.
Might as well go and race.
Part 2.
See you later.
See you later. So here we are. It's now 5 to 6. We are not racing in race 2. Harry, what's happened? Tell us what's happened.
There's a power cut, so we're not doing the race.
Oh my goodness. So let's just have a look. Sky. Sunset here is 6:24.
Yeah.
And
None of the cars have got lights.
none of the cars have got lights.
So I think that's kind of a damp squib into the season.
Yeah, a little bit disappointing
Yeah,
because we were obviously going to win the last race.
exactly. We were so close
We were
in the last one.
But we're a bit disappointed about that, aren't we, Brian? But
Harry, tell everybody goodbye for Rint for this season.
Goodbye for this season. See you next season.
Well
Excellent.
done.
You